I think the reason Charlotte Tech Care team is so successful with small businesses is because we are one. I have to make payroll each week. I have to deal with the fulfillment issues, the accounting issues, the human resource issues. I have many of the same problems that my customers have, or challenges, and I recognize how I deal with those through technology and my ability to share that with my customers. My ability to learn from one customer and share that solution with another customer is because I identify with what their problems are, because I have those same problems or issues here. In my experience with the prior businesses, what I learned that there's pretty much about 3 or 4 Achilles heels for any small business. It's their legal, it's their accounting, it's their human resource practices, and then ultimately their IT. Most business owners realize that they need to outsource their legal. They recognize that they want to have a CPA firm help them out. Getting them to understand that it's a good idea to outsource or extend their IT resources out to an IT company was my original challenge. There's a lot of technology coming down the pipe out there. New technologies each and every day are being delivered by different manufacturers, many of them by Microsoft. It's overwhelming to the average customer. We, as a Microsoft partner, as technology professionals, live, eat, and breathe technology all day long. And it's our job to know which ones fit the right solution for the right customer. So we look at the solutions, we see which one fits our customer, and then we recommend those to the customer. Being a small business ourselves, I find we use many of the same tools that we sell or help our customers support. I would say primarily Office 2007 has been the most important software that we've utilized. I can't imagine living my life without Microsoft Outlook 2007, literally. The search capabilities of it to find emails, the ability to organize, to manage contacts, schedules, share calendars with one another, be able to see where technicians are at through scheduling, or to have somebody go in and change my calendar for me is phenomenal. I know the biggest change I've seen with Office 2007 was through Word and Excel. I knew there were a lot of really cool functionality things I could do, like gradient colors and ratios and stuff in Excel. And I didn't know how to do that. I've always seen other people do that, but in Excel what they did, and I always tell my customers this, is they took the complexity that they added into the earlier versions of Office, all that functionality which leads to complexity, and then they made it available to the average person through a simple set of what they call ribbons. We look at them as toolbars across the top. So if you haven't looked at Office 2007 lately, and it looks intimidating because it's different, the reality is it is different. It's a lot easier to use. They just took the cool stuff that was kind of hidden and left to the expert user and made it available to people like me and you to use. When I see a small business grow because we're able to deploy a server solution, such as the small business server, which really leveled the playing field for most small businesses, or put a stable solution in there for a desktop operating system that makes them more secure, so they're not having the constant problems with spyware and malware and viruses, which Vista really addressed through their user access control. To be able to do that for them so they actually become productive again, I can't tell you what the reward. I mean, obviously I get paid well for it, but to see a business succeed because, or at least in part, to the technology that we put in place for them, I just can't put a price on that. It's true job satisfaction for me.